out. Power was out when we got here. Fuck if I know. We got plenty of blow.
Spaceship. You gotta find the coal. Where the hell's the door? There you go.
Get out of there!
Over there! Move! Go! Over there! Going this way! Go, now! Gotta be over here!
What'd you shoot last week?
Like, an 85.
Without cheating?
See if they're others! Damn! Hey, what the fuck? Get this guy! Hey, intruder! I'm gonna have a look around. He's right around here. Right here. Damn it. Motherfucker.
Love it. Dirty click, let me see you rub it. Back it up, easy does it. Get it free in the club, I can disrupt it. All I hear is no name, done, you anything you want, subject, drop a mixtape. My shit published, get it under and tell you that it's rubbish. Drop the fucking trick, stop it name. Talk to one that's
What you got? Canadian?
Cause I'm a mad bitch, these niggas out the end. I make yellow bitch rap.
Hands up. Keep them.
Don't even.
Okay, easy now.
Calling for your money, let me make it. Take a stack, damn. Boy, I'm the only nigga why doesn't get this party started quick. Calling rapping genius, but half the rappers retarded. Rappers stepping off.
Fuck!
Until I put a hit out on the niggas like.
Back straight.
Don't want the pretty face for you because I'm rented. If I catch a non-factor at you, then I send it to the staffer. After anybody I can capture. Looking at me, nasty bitch, better have my money. Funny, I don't need to rhyme shit. Everybody feel like me. If you think you want it with me, please come in. So come on. Didn't make shit, make it shit up. Such a good vibe. In the club while I like a shit up, I tell them easy, back it up, bitch, back it up. Lightweight, closet in the basement, discount price break, you should be eradicated because your package makes so thin, fast, wait, don't come back again. In the best,
What's that?
Because I have to, all right?
Hey, what the fuck?
Bridge! You're gonna have to pick up all these tennis balls, you know.
Fuck this thing!
Great, you broke it.
Blame it on Rourke's housekeeper. I seen her kid messing around with this thing before.
Hold it. What you move? Okay, okay. I'm gonna see what's up.
Be on the lookout, we got a guy down.
Tomorrow may hold. Truth of the matter, this is all that I know. I'm here with you.
One of our guys got taken out.
the night will be madness. Let's make memories. We on the night. 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 God damn it! We on the night.
Obviously, you have no idea who I am, because if you did, you would not be stealing from me.
Maybe I don't scare that easy.
Well, you look Mexican, so I'll assume you're a burglar, but I'm also assuming you're not the average burglar. There are a lot of vulnerable properties in this neighborhood, but you picked mine to rob. Why is that? I wonder.
Hey, seemed like a challenge.
Well, let's up the challenge. I just pushed a button, which means about a dozen coked-up psychopaths with automatic weapons are heading your way. You scared yet?
Doesn't seem like it. Not from where I'm standing.
Oh, no, this is very clever of you. A two-man job, huh?
So to speak.
Hats off to you. Really. But You twits better take all the cash you can carry and spend it fast. Buy gold. Buy a goddamn sailboat, because I'm not gonna stop coming for you. Ever.
Shut up! Hey there. Just thought I'd check in.
Hey, turn off the alarm.
That's not gonna work. You got bad guys coming at you.
Oh, shit.
What the hell? Get this guy! Way. What the hell? Shit! Hey, let's go!
Well, at least we won't have to fill out a bunch of paperwork later. You get started?
Didn't try. I figured you'd probably use a hand back here.
Thanks, by the way.
We should go.
What the hell did Dawes and Stoddard do to you?
Let's just say I wasn't always the kind of person who would fuck over her partner.
Fair enough.
And just so you know, this isn't about killing Dawes. Not for me.
Okay. What's it about then? For you?
I want him ruined. Because that's what he does. He ruins people.
And Stoddard?
Stoddard, I'm fine with just killing.
Pretty sure you're gonna get another shot at him.
After tonight, Stoddard's gonna be coming after us.